Hello everyone, it's Carly from cookingwithcarly.com, and today we are doing another Crumbl taste test. Before we get going, I have some exciting news to share. Look what came in the mail today. The hard copy, well it's like soft cover, but physical copy of my cookbook, Cookie Lover. It's also an ebook. You can get the ebook now. I will start taking pre-orders for this coming soon. And you can have it for Christmas. Give it for Christmas presents, and I'm so excited about it. So keep that on your radar. But as for the cookies, Crumbl cookies today, we are tasting them. Let me know in the comments below which one you want me to recreate for this week's recipe, and always like any other special requests that you have. And also, if you're not already, you should go follow me on Instagram. It's just @CookingWithCarly, because right now we're doing a really fun like March Madness-esque bracket with like brand new like made up flavors. And then the winning flavor I will create the special recipe for. And today's flavor seriously is like so neck and neck, like 5 votes between the two. So go put your 2 cents in and vote. All right, let's talk about these cookies today. We have quite the lineup. First, this is a new one. It is oatmeal chocolate chip muffin cookie. So it is a different texture than like their regular cookies, right? So there's applesauce in this cookie. It's definitely like spicy. I can smell cinnamon, maybe some nutmeg. Semi-sweet chocolate chips, oats in there. It'll have a fluffier texture like you would expect like a muffin to have, right? This is the Muddy Buddy cookie, which I am missing the sprinkle of powdered sugar on mine. Sad. But it's just a peanut butter cookie, melted chocolate on top with a few little Muddy Buddies, which, by the way, let me know in the comments below if you call these things Muddy Buddies or Puppy Chow. Think like it's a Western United States thing to call it Muddy Buddies, which I've always called them Muddy Buddies, but a lot of people call it Puppy Chow. And this one, I'm blanking on the name. Midnight Mint, maybe? If it's not, it should be. It's just a dark chocolate cookie with the mint chips in it. It's warm, ooey gooey. I like chocolate and mint together, so I'm sure I'll be a fan of that. And then last but not least is the key lime pie, which I'm so excited to eat. I actually have a copycat recipe of this cookie already on my site. I'll link it in the description below. So you can make these yourself. It's one of my favorites, so I'm excited just to, indulge and eat this. I will say that I do have this recipe already in the ebook. It is exclusive. It is not on my website. It is in the ebook and will be in the cookbook. Okay, let's start with this oatmeal chocolate chip muffin cookie. It's definitely fluffy texture. Let's give it a taste here. I don't know if it's cooked all the way through. The center is a little gooey. I'll take a bite from the outside. It's like the texture of the pumpkin chocolate chip cookies, but there's no pumpkin in it, but it has the spices like the pumpkin. Oats. There's not a ton of oats in there. In fact, I don't see any oats, so maybe it's just like oat flour, because I don't see any like full pieces of oats. Definitely spicy, definitely muffin texture. Not particularly my jam, but it's good. And it's not a super sweet cookie, which I think we can all appreciate sometimes, right? So, decent. I don't taste applesauce, if that is your question. You don't taste the applesauce, but there's applesauce in there. Muddy Buddy, I know I'm gonna like this one. I love a good peanut butter cookie, especially with chocolate. Peanut butter and chocolate, whoa, struggling there. It's like one of my favorite combinations. just what you'd expect. That is a very peanut buttery cookie. Like it stuck to the roof of my mouth, super peanut buttery. I don't consider that a bad thing. It just has a lot of peanut butter in it. The edges are really like buttery crispy, which I really, really enjoy. It's oil in the recipe that gives it that crispy edges, but I like it. If you like chocolate and peanut butter, you will definitely enjoy this one. And this would be a good one too that you could reheat super easily, popping it in the microwave, because it's just melted chocolate on top. It's fine if it melts in the microwave. It's not like others that have like frosting on there that would totally melt, you know. All right, this chocolate mint one. Oh, and it looks like there's also some semi-sweet chocolate chips in this cookie as well. That's gonna fall. Did you see me just catch that? I just caught it. Okay, here we go. Tastes like Christmas. It's a pretty dark cookie. It's not super sweet, which pairs well with the mint. It's like an Andes mint, but in cookie form. I really like that one. I like that the chocolate cookie is not super duper sweet. Some chocolate cookies I feel like need to be sweet. This is not one of them because of like the sweetness of the mint. I enjoy that. That's a good cookie. Probably the same as the peanut butter one, like the same ranking on my list here. And it's a nice and soft and chewy cookie, not dry at all. Okay, I need a knife for this one. I'll grab a knife really fast. So I can cut this key lime pie one. So it's a graham cracker crust with a key lime pie filling. Has some whipped cream on top and a fresh lime. So that's what we're looking like. So the cookie itself is made like in a form. So it has like these super tall sides. My recipe, you don't cook it in a form. You just kind of, they don't look as circular and pretty, but they taste really, really good. So taste is really all that matters. I figure if I don't have the forms, you're not going to be there. That's so good. I love key lime pie. And this filling is tangy, but not overly so, not like pucker your lips tangy. Definitely cream cheese in there, like sweetened condensed milk, all that good stuff. I'm surprised by the cookie base. It's not super sweet, and it's almost not like cookie-ish. Like if I don't hold the bottom of it, like it would just break in half. Super, super, super soft and like delicate almost, which is okay because it's kept in the fridge. I personally would almost like a little bit more of a crunch instead of it being almost, it's like too soft almost, right? Like I want the crust of the pie, like a crunchiness to it. So that's the only thing that I would change to this cookie. But the filling is super, super delish. I'm a fan overall of that cookie. I think the key lime is probably my favorite. I know it jumped up there. Key lime, and then it's a tie between Muddy Buddy and the mint chocolate one, and then this muffin guy is last. It's okay. It's okay, little muffin guy. It's okay. All right. There's our taste test for today. Hopefully this helps you decide if you want to head to your Crumbl this week to get yourself a box, a 4-pack, 12-pack, single cookie, whatever floats your boat. Let me know which cookie you want me to create the recipe for in the comments below, and I will get on that. And tomorrow, A new recipe is going live on my site. It does not have a video attached with it yet, but hopefully one day soon. You can find the recipe at my website, cookingwithcarly.com. Tomorrow morning, Aggie Blue Mint cookie recipe will be live. And it's good. Like, I had neighbors driving to my house to pick up these cookies from me because they tried them and they wanted more. And I had neighbors texting me saying, these are so good. This is my favorite cookie that you have ever made and brought me. This is like earth-shattering, people. So get on my website, grab that recipe and make them. And just enjoy life, okay? And we will see you guys back here next week's taste test. Bye, have a good week.